most text animations appear flat and lifeless. But with one simple blur technique, you can create a cinematic reveal that looks much more professional. Let's build it step by step in After Effects. Start by creating a new composition. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and choose a duration of about 5 seconds. Now add a text layer and type your title. Now open the Animate menu and select Blur, add opacity and add scale. We're doing this because it allows us to control how the text moves into the frame. Animate range selector, add value scale 150%, opacity 0% and blur amount 100%. Add first keyframe on offset -100% and second keyframe 2 seconds forward 100%. Open advanced panel change shape square to ramp up and ease high 0%, ease low 100%. And random slider off to on. To make the animation feel more cinematic, add a animate property tracking. Add first keyframe 0 and value is 0 and second keyframe after 2 seconds. Select all keyframes and press F9 to apply easy ease. Finally, enable motion blur on the layer and in the composition settings. This adds a subtle cinematic feel to the movement. And that's the final cinematic text blur effect. You can use this animation for intros, titles or social media videos. If you want more After Effects tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel for new motion graphics techniques every day.